Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Garry's Mod 9. Okay, first, you're going to need Counter-Strike Source, Half-Life, and Half-Life 2 Half-Life 2. This one. And then you're going to need Half-Life 2 Deathmatch. Which doesn't come up in my thingies, but I still have it. Now, go into Google. Search up Gmod 9 mod DB and click this one, only this one, and press download. Download it now, and there's no viruses or anything, so don't worry about that. Now just wait for it to install. Might take a little bit. There you go. Now just open it. Yes, I'll press allow. It's not gonna do anything bad. Okay, so you're gonna press next. Then you see this. Copy this. But yeah, copy this. Now press install. Now just wait for it to install. Once it's done, press close. It's gonna give you a pop-up that it doesn't show up on Steam, but that's okay. That's literally like the next step. Okay. Now you just press close. Now, yeah, you need these. Half-Life 2 Deathmatch, Counter-Strike Source. You need those. Now, I actually opened it 2 times. That's why I got a second one. Search up Source. Now, Source SDK base 2006. 2006, not 2007. This one won't work. Anyways, click on this. Properties. I'll actually redo it. Okay. Dash game quotation mark paste quotation mark name turbo crib. Now the reason why you have to put your name is so it shows up in the game. And yes, now just close that, hit launch. Just wait a second. And you should be in Gmod 9. It's perfect for ARGs. If you want to make an ARG, or if you just want to relive OG. Just want to relive some OG memories. And I don't have any OG memories on this. And yeah. Where's the delete tool? Where is the delete tool? As you may notice, there's no tool gun. Alright. But if you want to make an ARG, I'll show you how. Just get a G-Man. Forgot you can't do that. Now get color mod. Turn down the brightness. Where is color mod? Anyway, yeah, just get the color mod. I don't know how to do it. There you go. Okay, this is how you do it. Just like, put them somewhere. And then you could just go like, what is that? Ah. Okay, well, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.